Well, hello and welcome to the channel. I'll show you a trick if you are snoring while you're sleeping. All you need is 2 pieces of cotton, like this. See if you have like this, and then you take them, those two, and take them and just twist them together like this. And then you take them and do like this.
It's impossible to accurately
In your nose.
words into other languages. Experts have tried to
And
solve the mystery of the standing stones in vain.
you can listen.
Serge Kassan is an archaeologist.
There's totally good airflow. So now you will not be snoring and driving your girlfriend mad. So it's an option, and I think you should try it if you're snoring. Like and subscribe, please. And I do more videos than this. Well, sleep tight and no snoring tonight.
Og du har ikke prøvet det endnu.